That is Studious!
Bible verse of the day, Philippians 4:8. In tokpisin version or in Papuan Guinea language, Filipai 4:8. Nalas, all brata, wanem all something itru, wanem all something inogat giyaman, wanem all something istretla, wanem all something iklin, wanem all something inaispla, wanem all something igat gutpla ripot. Sapos, igat wanpla, gutpla pasin, nasapos igat wanpla, something belong kissing bitnem, ting long all displa something. Filipai 4:8. In Tagalog version, Filipos 4:8. Katapus-tapusan, mga kapatid, anumang bagay na katotohanan, anumang bagay na kagalang-galang, anumang bagay na matuwid, anumang bagay na malinis, anumang bagay na kaibig-ibig, anumang bagay na mabuting ulat, kung may anumang kagalingan, at kung may anumang kapurihan, ay isipin ninyo ang mga bagay na ito. Filipos 4:8. King James Cuisine Bible. Talk, thank you. Eagle on God. Salamat po sa Diyos. Thanks be to God. Memorization Challenge. Day 126. Omega Teacher Bible. Verse of the day. Philippians 4:8. In King James Version. Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are lovely, whatsoever things are of good report, if there be any virtue, and if there be any praise, think on these things. Philippians 4:8. Thanks be to God po.
Hello guys! By Cafe Mas. Mama. O barabas. Pero parang pag
You have got
go outside.
Don't go outside. If you don't have
If you don't have
what?
Cafe Mas. But may virus.
May virus.
Bang awang may Diyos.
How am I just?
Tapi Diyos.
Buyoy. Are you Buyoy? No? Go, you sing again.
Tapi tila.
Topic tira always.
May
Another
Diyos.
song. Another song.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. Another song. Another song. What else?
Look like
What else do you know? What song do you know? Not goodbye.
I don't know.
You don't know? Yes, you know. There are a lot, you know. Sing to us song. Go. Go now. I said sing to us song. That's my last or laugh.
Cannot eh.
Yes, you can. What? What now? What now? Setting. Bye now. Tomorrow again, God willing. You say tomorrow.
Bye.
Tomorrow again, God willing.
Tomorrow again, gadidin.
The verse of the day, Philippians 4:8. In King James Version. Finally, brethren, whatsoever things are true, whatsoever things are honest, whatsoever things are just, whatsoever things are pure, whatsoever things are 5:8. Nalas, all brata, wanem all something itru, wanem all something inogat giyaman, wanem all something istretpla, wanem all something iklin, wanem all something inaispla, wanem all something igat gutpla ripot, sapos igat wanpla gutpla tokpasin. Nasapos igat wanpla, something belong, kisim big name, ting long old dispela something.
Over the hills and far from mine, she's waiting.